Packing a waste-free lunch to bring to school or work is a great opportunity to eat healthy and save money. And with at least 194 school days per year for each school-aged child in Ontario, we can also avoid a lot of waste. Here are some tips to get you started. Get involved in packing your own lunch. This helps to avoid food waste from items you won't eat. Pack your lunch in a reusable lunch bag or box rather than using a disposable paper or plastic bag. Pack reheated leftovers from last night's dinner in a thermos. Pack utensils like forks and spoons that can be cleaned and used again. Swap out single-use drink containers with reusable options. Consider choosing a double-insulated stainless steel container that can handle both hot and cold drinks. Avoid plastic wrap and foil. Use reusable food containers instead. Portion out fresh fruit, vegetables, crackers, and other snacks into reusable containers to avoid prepackaged single-serving portions of snacks. Only pack as much food as you can eat. Bring food scraps, like banana and orange peels and apple cores, home and put them in your green bin or backyard composter. Help avoid waste in our community and leave the waste out of lunch. For more information, visit durham.ca/waste.